guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul for you. It's like a spring with some Easter things in and then just some home decor. So let me show you what I've bought. I really like it. So I think the first place we'll go is TJ Maxx, okay? Mom hauled something like this quite like last year sometime and I loved it, but I wanted one a little bit different color, so they had these beautiful hydrangeas, and this is just such a soft, pretty green, and they also had it in pink and then white, and they were $12.99, and I just love that. I'm going to put this in my bedroom over top of that big mirror. If you saw my Christmas bedroom tour, then you saw the mirror, and I love this burlap bow. I think it's gonna look so pretty on it, so I picked that up. And then I picked these napkins up. I love them. They were $4.99, and I have something in mind for these, but they are just so delicate and French country looking, okay? And then I picked these up, set of 4 Cupcake Pedestal plates. I think they are so adorable, and they're just that real pretty pink. So I picked this up, and they were $7.99, okay? Then I was in Kirkland's, and I saw this for the master bathroom that we have. And I think it is so just Tuscany, kind of French country. I just love it. It just fits right in with my decor. So I'm going to put this in our master bathroom to the right of the sink. And I'm going to be doing a skincare routine, and you'll see that when I film that video. I've had a request for that. So, but I love this. It's so pretty. And it was $19.99. This is so gorgeous, I think. Just looks like the rays of the sun are coming in, and I love those curtains, shower curtains just puddled right there. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, and then I was in Michael's. And I make my funky bows all the time, you all know, but it does kind of get hard on the hands. So I thought I would try this Deluxe Easy Bow Maker. It was $9.99. It doesn't have the price tag on it, but that's how much it was. I think it was even in aisle 20. I'm not sure about that. But I think I'm going to give this a try and see if I like it. And then I was in Dollar Tree, and I picked this card up. It just says Easter Blessings. It's one of their handmade cards. I love them. And then you open it up and it's like that. It's always just so pretty. But I'm going to use this in my planner, okay? And then they had some new washi, so I had to pick it up. I loved that. It's so unusual and happy looking. Picked that one up. They didn't have too many new ones. And then this one. I was in a dry spell for a while in my Dollar Tree. But luckily they got some more in. I think I might have hauled this before. I'm not sure. But I went ahead and got it because I'd rather err on the side of caution. And then this just looks like leaves. It's hard to see it. But it just looks like leaves, like foliage, okay? So that's all I got at the Dollar Tree. And then I was in Target's Dollar Spot, and I've been looking for this, but ours didn't have it out, but they did. They have this in the white or just the plain wood, and it's such a beautiful, like old-timey wheelbarrow. I love it. So I have an idea in mind, and it was $5. But I just love that. And it's a pretty good size, really. Okay. And then they had the carrots. I've been looking for the carrots, and they have different kinds. They have just the bright orange, and then I think a couple other colors, but I wanted these. I just think they look so vintage. So I picked these up, and they were Let me show you. They were $3 and you get 3, so they're like $1 a piece. So I picked up 3 bundles of these. I think these are gonna look so cute. And then they had this in the dollar spot. I had never seen anything like this. This is like copper, and it's just a wire basket with wood ends. And it was $5, but I love that you could do so much with this. You could put bread in it, you could put muffins in it, you could put tons of things in this. This is so versatile, okay? So I picked that up, and then I was in Walmart, and I needed some socks, so I thought I'd show you what I picked up. I've already worn one pair, but I got these little footies. They're so comfortable, and I like it because it had this higher back on the very back. But I love these. I thought they were really cute, so I picked up those. And I think they were like $7, I'm not sure. But then I picked these up, and these, they were either 7 or 5, but they just have all kinds of really cute socks, little footies. I love them, and the white. And then these are really pretty. So that's, and then just the plain pink. So I picked up some of those, and then I thought I would give these a try. I think these were, I wish they would put prices on them. I don't know, they were either 7, they were probably 7, I don't really know. But anyway, you can wear these with like flat shoes, and I thought they were so pretty. And I like to wear something when I have just my little slip-ons. I like to have some kind of sock. And so they have that. I think they're pretty. And then they just had a gray, and then the white, then a pink, a gray, and then this. I thought that was so pretty. I really love this one and this one. They just look so happy. So I picked that up. And then I have a haul from Craft Outlet, okay? I wanted to get some really pretty ribbon. Now I didn't get some of this in time for my Easter wreath, but I may do another wreath for outside my house, okay? So let me show you the kind of ribbon that I bought for that. And then I found some like farmhouse French country wreath. I've got it on my mind. Farmhouse French country ribbon that is gorgeous, okay? So let me get this kind of situated. But it is so gorgeous. Oh, I kind of went a little crazy. Okay, first of all, we will look at this French country farmhouse. Look at that. It is like a really beautiful yellow with brown, and it has a chicken on it. And it says Country Life. And then it has a little pig. And it says Simply Blessed. And then it has a cow on it, and it just says Simply Blessed again. I think this is gorgeous. It would fit in quite nicely with French country or farmhouse. And I think you could even pull this off with Tuscan if you did it right, okay? Then I picked this up. I thought this would be beautiful along. And then I picked this up, just those same kind of colors that's in these, but they're just checked. But I thought these would be gorgeous. That would be so pretty, okay? And then I just thought this looks so French country to me. It's beautiful. And I should have been telling you how much these were. They don't have a price. The majority of them, I believe, were like $4.99 because they were comparable to Old Time Pottery's prices. So now these are 2.5 inches. These three are 2.5 inches. Okay. And then this one is 1.5 inches. Okay. Then I picked this up. I'd seen these in the store, I think even at Old Time Pottery. And this is the 2.5 inches. Okay. Now the rest of this is like spring or Easter, okay? But I picked this up. I thought it was really cute. And you could use this for summer too. This is the 2.5. Now it might have been a little bit more. It might have been more like 7. And this has 10 yards on this. I should have told you that. They all have 10 yards on them. All of these have 10 yards, okay? Then I picked this up, and it's 2.5 as well, 10 yards. And then this little bunny, I thought it was so cute, and I told you I lost it. So I bought 2 of the same color, but you could use them together. They're really pretty. And they're 1.5 inches. And then I picked this up. I thought that was so cheerful. I won't have to buy any ribbon for a while. And then this, that is just so pretty. And then this yellow one. But you know, when you're ordering online, you're just on there and you just kind of lose yourself. At least I do. But I thought this was really pretty, the checks. Okay, and then this little polka dot was really pretty. I thought they would be pretty. And then this one right here, I thought was just sweet. I love those colors. And then this, just those like confetti or whatever in the center. And then this is a beautiful purple gingham, like. And when you run your hand over it, this stands up. This the white. So that's what all I purchased. I had way too much fun shopping. But so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.